Imagine waking up to a notification that your investment in Bitcoin is up by 50% overnight. Sounds like a dream come true, right? But for many young investors, the world of cryptocurrency can be overwhelming and even intimidating. Today, we're going to break down the basics of crypto for beginners, focusing on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and what you need to know to get started. In 2026, the global crypto market has grown exponentially, with Bitcoin and Ethereum being the two most prominent players. To put this into perspective, Bitcoin's market capitalization is around $1.5 trillion, while Ethereum's is around $500 billion. These numbers are staggering, and it's no wonder why many investors are eager to dive into the crypto space. But before we get started, let's define what cryptocurrency is. Simply put, it's a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for secure financial transactions. Imagine a digital version of cash, but instead of being physical,